Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So firstly, let's enter your contact list because I'd like to show you two different ways to do that. Firstly, let's block the number which you've got currently saved on your contacts. So let's tap on it and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block contact. And basically we do not have any information for some reason, probably because it is a test contact. So let me quickly create another contact and we will check if it will basically appear. Okay, it can be. Alright, so three dots icon, tap on block contact, and as you can see it finally works. We've got this characteristic icon which simply means that this number is blocked and you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it the same way, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So in order to get to the blacklist and basically be able to add the number to it manually, we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and tap on blocked. And as you can see, here we've got our blacklist, so let's tap on it. And this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. And here we've got another way of adding the number to it. Just tap on it, and here we can simply enter it manually. You can also paste it, paste the number here if you've got it copied, and tap on add. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. And of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way. Maybe not the same way, but easily, just by tapping on the trash bin icon here and confirming and by tapping on remove. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.